BotanicGlow Raw African Black Soap is made in Ghana, West Africa. It's great for those with oily, acne-prone skin. It helps to heal blemishes, fade dark spots, and control sebum oil. African Black Soap goes a long way, so we recommend cutting off only what you need and storing the rest in an airtight container. As a part of your daily skincare routine, African Black Soap should be used twice a day, morning and night. Start by wetting your face with warm water. Then rubbing the soap between the palms of your hands to create a rich, creamy lather. Apply to your face and gently massage in a circular motion. Take time to work in the lather to loosen any dirt and impurities deep within the pores. After massaging, rinse with warm water and pat with a cotton washcloth. To optimize your results, we recommend following up with our green tea toner. For a noticeable difference, consistently follow this facial regimen twice daily. To preserve your used portion of the soap, never leave it sitting in a water-filled soap dish, or it will lose its firmness. To learn more, visit us at BotanicGlow.com.